Good day everyone. Today we have a KAESER SK 26. It's a 15 kilowatts screw air compressor. This one is actually very well preserved despite the year was built in. It's bought from the first owner with the original service history. So it's generally serviced in 2016 under $5,300. And let's check the odometer. Now it's nearly 7,000 hours, and it's serviced in this year. Among that 6,000 hours under full load, and it's 3,000 hours for a regular service. So machine looks really great. We decided to test this unit today. We have a 750 liters air receiver. I have removed the front hatch so you can see actually the compressor working condition. I have checked it, and there are no leaks. Everything seems pretty good. So let's start the compressor and see how it builds pressure on this unit. That's it. It's 8.5 bars. This machine is declared to 7.5 bars, but can go easily up to 9 bars. So that's it. Thank you kindly for watching, and good luck on your bids.